Hello everyone. For today's video, we're back at the construction site for the new Surfside Pier. It's been just under a month since I've been here, and it's a Halloween weekend. So we're gonna head out onto the beach and see what kind of progress has been made. We'll walk down the side of the road here, beside the Gracious Pig restaurant, and then into the parking lot of the Surfside Beach resort or oceanfront hotel. So the last time we come through here, this parking lot was absolutely full. And on the other side of the fence, there's a lot more metal and just way more pieces and equipment than there was here the last time. I'm thinking when winter sets in, the off season sets in, probably be a lot more progress, and they may even have more people working. They've got a lot of scaffolding here around these concrete pylons towards the back of it here, which will probably be a structure, restaurant or tackle shop or something like that. I don't think that was here the last time I was here. None of the scaffolding was put up. So that's definitely new. All right, heading on the beach. As you can see already, before we get down on the beach, the temporary pier is being constructed. The last time they had the pier, the ramp off to the side of it, they had a little platform built, which they probably expanded it some. We'll see that once we get that way if we can. Tide may be too high to get all the way around, but we'll see. But the temporary pier is actually going out over the water. From here it looks like 40 to 50 feet maybe. We're definitely gonna get closer there. Just as a reminder, like I do in every video, there's a webcam right here. You can kind of see what's going on when they're out here working. It's a pretty good shot of it. I'll include a link in the description like I always do. Just a reminder. Looks like we've almost got a hole dug out here. And they've got a sprinkler going in between there. Not really sure what that would be for. Maybe they need to keep the ground kind of moist around there. Someone had commented before in the last video about these walls that are here. There's one over there, you can't really make it out from here, but someone's saying that maybe these were elevator shafts. I'm not sure if that's accurate or not, but if you know more on that, maybe leave a comment below. Got these several wooden beams here. I'm wondering if those will be sections that will go across the top of the temporary pier so they can mobilize the equipment over it to set the pylons for the permanent structure. I think most of these were here last time. There may be more than there was then. Now though. Sitting one of the steel cross beams now as we're watching here just for a minute. 3 guys up there on the end, and then there's one operating the crane. Kind of yelling back and forth at each other to make sure it's all lined up properly. All right, so that's probably gonna do it for this video. A little bit of progress from last time. Like I said before, I think once the off season sets in, probably gonna see more progress. Maybe bringing more people to work, hopefully. You can already kind of tell a little bit of that. There were a lot more different types of vehicles parked around the entrance. People doing just different things. Not exactly sure when I'll return here. Don't really have any current plans to come back here before, well, really the rest of this calendar year. It's possible that may change. Right now I did not have plans, so if that holds out, I don't get back here until the first of the year. We should definitely see some real progress by then, I would hope. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't.